UPastor Mboro wakhishwa ngeBheyili ngenyanga edlule. Eminye yemibandela yeBheyili yakhe ungaxhumani nofakazi. Omunye ofakazi kuleli cala usola uPastor Mboro ngokumsabisa emva kokukhululwa ejele ngesikhathi ephatha igama lakhe esithangamini sabezindaba.
The accused worship Pastor Motsoeneng had been briefing with different worship media podcasts where he made some statements worship accusing Miss Margaret Malazi worship as a person who set alight his church.
Umeli kaPastor Mboro uthi izinsolo anindwa ngazo azinayo into ephathekayo.
It is public knowledge that the incredible happening church was burned down. And the leader of the church will have to address the media about the church. I believe that the allegation has no substance.
Umbuso ucele ukuthi kuguqulwe imibandela yeBheyili kaMboro. Inkantolo yasichitha leso sicelo.
I am satisfied that there are no violations of the bail conditions at this stage, since it was only indicated that he should not directly contact or indirectly contact the witnesses, and not to say that he should not say anything or mention anything.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhlazi 11 kuLwezi. Kusenjalo, umbuso owahoxisile amacala abhekene nomsolwa owesine uLaurentia Lombard ecaleni lokunyamalala kaJoshlin Smith oneminyaka eyisithupha. Inkantolo yemanje yaseFredenburg idlulisele enkantolo ephakeme yaseWestern Cape leli cala kanti lizoqala ukuqulwa ngoMasingana wonyaka ozayo. Ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa, uBrigadier Bongani Gininda utshele inkantolo ukuthi isithombe soshekhasi owabe unemali esatholakala kumakhalekhukhwini womsolwa wesithathu yisithombe esifanayo naleso esatholakala kumakhalekhukhwini kaKelly Khumalo kanye noLongwe Thwala. Icala lizobuyela enkantolo kusasa.